Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to unlock the full potential of Google Ads, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, Google Ads conversion tracking for browser and server side. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to set up and optimize conversion tracking in Google Ads. Whether you are beginner or looking to refine your campaign, this guide will help you accurately track what's driving result and where you can improve. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to know what is Google Ads conversion tracking. Google Ads conversion tracking is a free tool that allow you to measure the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaign. It helps you to understand how your ads are driving valuable customer actions such as purchase, signups, or calls. Conversion tracking can help you see how effectively your ad click lead to valuable customer activity on your website such as purchase, signups, and form submissions. Benefits of Google Ads conversion tracking measure success. You can see which campaign ad and keyword are driving the most conversion, helping you identify what's working and what's not. Optimized campaign, you can make data-driven decision to improve your campaign, such as adjusting bids, keyword, and ad group. Track view, you can calculate the return on investment of your Google Ads spending, helping you justify your advertising budget. Understand customer behavior, you can gain insight into how customers interact with your ads and website, helping you to make more informed marketing decisions. Now I will set up Google Ads conversion tracking. This is my demo website. You already know that. Already set up this website, Facebook conversion API and GA4 server side tracking. So now I will set up Google Ads conversion tracking in this website. I already created Google Tag Manager's web container and server container. So now I will set up Google Tag for Google Ads. So click on New. Then again click Google Ads, then find out Google Tags. Lead to Google Tag associate with your Google Ad account. So I need a tag ID. A tag is an identifier that you put on your page to load a given Google tag. So where we find this tag? Firstly, need to go Google Ads account, then click on goals, then summary, then click new conversion action. Then click on website, then paste your website URL, then click scan. After scan, you will see that create conversion action manual is using code. So click on add a conversion action manually. Firstly, I want to tag purchase event. So firstly, we will select purchase, then given a name. Then these settings are by default. So enter your conversion name, then scroll down. Measure the impact your advertising by given conversion value. Use the same value for each conversion. If you only sell one type of product, enter this value of each sale. For example, if you sell only one product for 20 US a day price, assign a value for 20. For each sale, Google Ads will record a value of 20. If you click here, use different value for each conversion. If you sell multiple products at different prices, you can give each of them a different value. Unique value is recorded for each conversion. So I will select that. Then every settings is by default. Then click on done. Then click on save and continue. I need to set up Google Tags. So click on setup or click see event snippet. Click on manually, then click this ID. Copy this ID. So copy this ID, then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container. Then need a server container. So need a server container URL. Then copy this server container from Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on container settings. Then copy this server URL. So then paste here. Then click on triggering. Then select all pages. Give a name, Google tag, add configurations. Then click on set. Now I need to set up another conversion linker. So click again Google Ads, then find out conversion linker, then select triggering all pages, then click save. Now need to preview your Google Tag Manager web container. Paste your website URL. Then click on any product. I already set up this type of event like page the event, view content event. Recently, I will set up Google Tag Add configurations and conversion linker. So click on add, then again click on view card, then proceed to checkout, then click on place order. Now click on Google Tag Manager debug view. We will say that all of tags are fired or initial checkout is not working. So I will fix that next time. Now I need to click Google Tag Manager. I need to add a conversion, Google Ads conversion tagging. So add this template, then need a Google Ads conversion ID. Where you find Google Ads conversion linker, click again Google Tag Manager, then close this, then click on done. Then click on purchase, then click on tag for purchase, then select Google Tag Manager. This is the conversion ID, so copy this ID. Then again back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then paste here Google Tag Manager conversion ID, need a conversion label. Back again Google Tag Manager, copy this conversion label. Then paste here. Need added conversion value. Conversion value, where we find conversion value? Back to your Google Tag Manager debug view, then click again purchase. If you click data layer, then scroll down. If you check e-commerce, then value. So need this value. So I already created some variable for value. So I will search on here value. This is the value. Then need to transaction ID. Where we will find transaction ID? Please check again Google Tag Manager debug view. E-commerce, then this is the object, after object index start from dot, so e-commerce dot transaction ID. So I already created a transaction ID variable, so click again here, then search on transaction, this transaction ID, then need currency code. Where we find out currency code? Back again Google Tag Manager debug view. First need e-commerce, then objects start, after object index start from dot, so e-commerce dot currency. I already created currency variable, so search on currency, this is currency variable. I need to provide some user provided data, so click here include user provided data from your website. Then click new variables. Manual configuration need email. So click here. Then select email. I already created email variable. Then need to phone number. Where will phone number find out? This is the phone number variable. Now need to first name. So I will select this variable. Then need to last name. Where we find out last name? I already created variable for last name. So last name here. Need a street. So I need to create a street variable. So click here. Then click new variable. Then select data layer variable. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager debug view. firstly need order data, then paste here, then dot, because this is the array, then customer data, then dot again, then billings, copy this billing, then dot again, then need to street. First time select address 1, this is the street address, then paste here, then give a name street, then click save. Need again city. I already created city variable, where this city variable, this is the variable, then need to region, where we found to region, we can give city state here. So first you need to copy order data, copy again, then click here, then click new variables, then find out data layer, then paste order data, then dot, then customers, paste here, then dot, then billing, then dot, then select on region, where region, state, then give a name, variable name. I need to select country. I already created country variable, where we country find out. Firstly need order data, then customers, then billing, then country. I already created. Then postal code, already created postal code variable. This is the postal code. Then click to save. User provided data, then click save. Now I need to create a trigger. I already created parses trigger. So select this, then give a name. This is the parses. This is the parses conversion taking. So give a name parses, then click save. Then click again preview button. Then view any product, then click on add to cart, then click on view cart, then proceed to checkout, then click on place order.
Okay.
If you see that our all of tag configuration taggers fired, so now our setup is okay. Now I will set up. So now we will set up begin checkout for Google Ads. So click on Google Ads, then click on back, then create a conversion actions, then paste again your website URL, copy our website URL, then paste here, then click on scan, then add a new conversion, then select on begin checkout, then give a name, checkout, every settings now okay, then click on add, then click on settings, no need, click on settings, then click save and continue. Then click on done, then again click on checkout, then select tag for checkout, then select Google Tag Manager, then back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then click on add new, then find out Google Ads conversion tagging, then need a conversion ID, so copy conversion ID here, this is the conversion ID, then paste here, need a conversion level, so copy conversion level from Google Ads, then paste here, need a conversion value, so click on plus icon, then find out value. This is the DLP value. Then need a transaction ID. You know that after processing you will find transaction ID, so no need this. Need currency code. So click on plus icon, then find out currency. Wire currency. This is the currency variable. Then click on include user provided data from your website. Then click here. Then select already created user provided data variable. Then click here. Need to triggering. So if you know that after clicking initiate checkout page, our begin checkout event tag is fired. So now I need to create triggers. Then give it a name. This is the checkout event, Google Ads checkout event. So give a name. Then click save. I will create Google add to cart event setup for Google Ads. So need to go back to your Google Ads account. Then click back. Then click on add a new conversion. Then paste your website URL. So copy again your website URL. Then paste here. Then click scan. After scan, need to click add a conversion action manually. Then select on add to cart. Then give it a name. Add to cart. If this setting is okay, then click done. Then click save and continue. Then click use Google Tag Manager. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container. Then click on new. Then find out Google Ads conversion event. Then need a conversion ID. So copy again conversion ID. Then paste here. Need a conversion level. So copy this add to cart conversion level. Then paste here. Then need a conversion value. So I already created variable for value. So select value. No need this. I need a currency code. So I already created currency value. So search on currency. Select here. Then click again include user provided data from your website. Then select user provided data. Then need to triggering. So find out add to cart triggers. Then click to save. Then give a name. Google Ads conversion tagging for add to cart. Then click save. Then click again preview button. Now I will check our Google Ads conversion tag setup okay or not okay. So click again any product. Then click again add to cart. If you check that our Google Ads conversion configuration, conversion linker and Google Ads conversion add to cart tag already fired, then again click view cart. Then click on proceed to checkout. Then click on place order. Our Google Ads conversion tagging web conversion setup done. Now I will set up for server side. So then now click on Google Tag Manager server container. Then click on workspace. Then click on tags. Then click on new. Then find out Google Ads. Then firstly need to set up conversion linker. This setups all pages. Then click on save. Then again click on new. Then find out Google Ads conversion tracking. I will create this. So go back to your Google Ads account. Then click on purchase. This is the purchase. Then click on tag for purchase. Then find out conversion. Copy this. then paste here. Then need a conversion level, so copy again conversion level, then click here. No need this, so now click on provide customer data. This is the event data. I already created this type of variables for Google Tag Manager Web Conversion, so no need for server container. So then click on triggering. I need to create a purchase trigger. So find out custom event, then put purchase, then give a purchase trigger name, purchase trigger, then click on save. Then give a purchase tag, then click save. Now I will set up server container for begin checkout. So again click on new, then find out Google Ads, then find out Google Ads conversion linker, then need a conversion ID. So go back to your Google Ads account, then find out checkout, then click on tag setup, then select Google tag, copy conversion ID, then paste here. Then again need to conversion level, so copy again conversion level, so paste here. Need conversion value. I already created conversion value for web container, so no need here. Provide event data, then click on triggering. I need to create a triggers for begin checkout. Where we find out begin checkout trigger? If you click on Google Tag Manager debug view, you will find that begin checkout event. So I need to click again preview. Then click any product. Then click on add to cart. Then click on view cart. Now need to click proceed to checkout. You will see that here begin checkout event for when you will click on it, proceed to checkout. This begin checkout tag created. So copy this begin checkout, then go back to your Google Tag Manager server container, then paste here, then create this trigger's name, then click save. Now give a name for checkout, then click on save. Now I need to click a Google Tag Manager. Now I need to set up Google Ad conversion tagging for add to cart. So click again Google server container, then click on new, then find out Google Ads, then added Google Ad conversion tagging, then need a Google conversion ID. So back to your Google Ads account, then find out add to cart, then click on add to cart, then click tag setup, then click Google tag, and copy your conversion ID, then paste here. Then need a conversion level, so copy again conversion level, then paste here this type of value. So click on provide a new customer data, event data, then need to create a trigger. Then so click on plus icon, then select custom event. Need a event name, so click again your Google Tag Manager debug view, select add to cart. If you check that event add to cart, so copy this event, then back to your Google Tag Manager server container, then paste here, then give a name, trigger name, then click save. Give a name for add to cart, then click save. Now our setup done. Now need to click preview button. Again back to your Google Tag Manager web container, click on preview. If you check Google Tag Manager debug view, our conversion API tag, Google Tag Manager GA4 conversion API tag, conversion linker tag already fired. Then click again any product. Then click add to cart. Then again click on proceed to checkout. If you check again our Google Tag Manager web container debug view, our Google Tag Manager checkout tag already fired, add to cart tag already fired. If you check again server container debug view, our Google Ad conversion tagging checkout trigger already fired. Then again click on place order. Our Google Tag Manager web container add to cart purchase tag already fired. Again check on Google Tag Manager server container. Our Google Tag Manager Google Ads conversion tagging purchase tag already fired. So our setup is now okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask on comment sections. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.